Hello guys and welcome to another weekly analysis of Bank Nifty and Nifty. This is a Bank Nifty weekly chart. As you can see here, this is a support which is playing a very important role from the last couple of weeks. Initially, we have seen a breakout from there, but we have not seen any confirmation. And after that, also we have seen Bank Nifty trying to get a close above that, but failed. Even the last week, Bank Nifty has opened within this zone, but even the last week bank nifty has tried to push out of this support area, but it couldn't close above this. Instead, it has closed just right above the bottom line of this entire support zone. And this week especially, this is one full complete week of bank nifty. Even this week, we were assuming, last week we were talking about, if you see any red candle getting closed below this, then we have a pretty good targets towards the downside of 42,600 levels. But then that didn't happen. Instead, bank nifty have gone in the opposite direction and has given us a close within this support area. So whenever we seeing bank nifty playing in this area, then it's safe to stay out of the market, because we don't know whether it is going to break towards the downside or whether it is going to get the uh, out breakout towards the upside. So in either case, if you want to see bank nifty going towards the upside on a weekly chart, then you need to see a close above 44,000 levels with a proper second candle confirmation. Or if you want to see bank nifty, if you want to take a very long term positions in the bank nifty, where bank nifty is going down, in that case you need to see close below this with a proper confirmation candle. Right now, this is not a very ideal situation in a bank nifty, because you see they're spending this moment. See this double top movement from the bank nifty is still pending. We have seen a breakout but not a confirmation, and right now bank nifty is struggling. Okay, so now you know the reason why bank nifty is not very confident on a daily chart to give a close above or below this particular support area. Okay, so in that case, it's really a good thing to stay in the markets and very keenly observe the movement of bank nifty, so that we don't do any mistakes. So in the last week, on a daily analysis, every day we were talking about, about this range. Now you understand why it is not getting very clear direction, because this is stuck in this zone. Okay, until you get a breakout towards the bottom or towards the top with the proper confirmation, we cannot come to a conclusion. So let's see what's on the daily chart of the bank nifty. So if you have to check the bank nifty daily chart, see this is what is happening. So even on a daily chart, see this tentative trend line that we have seen here. We have seen a breakout and a very small doji confirmation. Doji is always not a very strong candle to take it as consideration. So this is a moderate confirmation of bank nifty that we have received from a daily chart. But then again, we have not seen any close under this doji level yet, and we bank nifty from the last 2 days are trying to go towards the upward direction. But then again, it is the same case. You need to see a close above this level, and with a proper confirmation, or you need to see bank nifty now going down. See, in either case, uh, here we have seen, okay, now this level is going to be, it has already found a swing low here. Okay, so now this level on a daily chart is going to be a very important 43,200 levels is going to be very important. So in either case, you be careful with the positions while you are playing, on an intraday or a positional trading. I seriously don't recommend positional trading at this moment, until and unless you are a seasonal trader, where very you are very pro level trader. All right, so this is the bank nifty. So now let's start with our nifty chart. Let's start from our weekly nifty chart. So this is a weekly nifty chart. Now you see the the situation is entirely different here. Whereas bank nifty, we have seen some sort of breakdown on a weekly chart and expecting a confirmation candle, but it couldn't. This week it has given a green candle but couldn't close above this. But here in this case, nifty has you see what is happening in the nifty from the last couple of weeks is nifty is in the up move. But then if you notice, right there is the resistance area, and even this week nifty has try Nifty has gone above that area but haven't seen a close above that. So even if you see a close above this, we need another confirmation candle so that Nifty can go and see the all-time high of 20,000 levels. That didn't happen. And even towards the downside, here you don't know whether it is going to form a red candle with a proper confirmation candle. If you get a price action here on a weekly chart, then we can expect Nifty to come down. But right now you see even this is stuck in this resistance zone. So that is the Nifty. So let's check how is the Nifty performing on a daily chart. So now this is the daily chart, and you see Nifty from the last couple of days, from the last 4 days, this is the fourth day. It is right in this band, and is seeing close within this band only. So at least on a daily chart, if you see a breakout above this level with a proper confirmation or a proper pullback towards this and forms a proper bullish pattern, only then we will be taking calls towards the upside. Otherwise, if you see a close below this line of 19,730 levels and with a proper confirmation, only in that case we can assume that the Nifty is going to come down. But in either cases, you have to be really careful, because in the Nifty especially, similar to the trend line that we have drawn on a bank Nifty, here you see this also needs to break down, okay, with a proper confirmation. But any breakdown towards the upside or the downside, even if it is Nifty or bank Nifty, always remember that prices cannot continuously go in one direction for a straight continuous days. Okay, you will see some sort of pullback. Even if you see a downside breakout here, if you see, if you are towards the downside and if it again, it tends to pull back on a daily chart. If it does, then again you will be in the loss. And then here, if you see a proper breakout and Nifty going forward, and if you see a kind of pullback, which is what is healthy in the stock markets, if you see a pullback there, again you'll be in the loss if you are in a positional trading. So that's why you always be careful with the positions what you are trading and with the right now, because on a weekly chart we have not seen any proper confirmation of Nifty or bank Nifty towards the upside or the downside. So both are stuck in the support or resistance zones of their respective chats. So please be careful, and please be wise while trading. Or see, what you can do is, on a daily time frame, if you see any close that is taking support of this, in that case there is some chance. But then again, on the left, if you see there is no proper swing high, you don't know, there is a gap there, so there might be a resistance. All the gaps will act as uh, a proper support and resistance areas. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it for this week. Hope we have analyzed the charts enough. So all the best. Okay, see you in our next video. Please do subscribe for more such valuable content and meaningful analysis. Thank you.